ढूंढते हैं हम तुमको दर बदर, जाने कब कहाँ मिलोगे हमसे हम सफर। तुम निगाहों में, तुम सवालों में, हाल है बुरा हमारा ऐसे हाल में। Hi, dear Gemini. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali. And suddenly I felt like I'm an RJ or something. I just sang a song and then I started da 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 da. Anyways, I'm feeling much better today because I have accepted the truth for what it is regarding that incident that happened 2 3 days ago. And here I am. And I'm conducting a manifestation workshop where we are going to learn about chakras, how to activate them, how to align them, and how to make your manifestations easy peasy. And it's happening from 20 till the 26th of January 2026. It's a little late because people are going to settle down, calm down, come all like from their trips and everything. It's 7 days live workshop. If you want to register, I'm going to leave the a link in the description box for the same. It's going to be life changing for sure. You're going to get the recordings as well. If you are not going to, you will not be able to attend live, but invest very wisely because you will not be able to get the refund. Okay, once you are going to register for the same. So let's start. Gemini, the overall energy or the mutual energy for the connection right now, whatever you call it. We have Three of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Five of Swords. Okay, there's a collaboration, partnership, there is a connection, there is a desire to come together or come back together because this is something related to your past, or because of your past, there is some kind of blockage in a current situation where you're trying your best to clear, like cut the past person situation or feelings from your system, but somehow it's still attached to you. And it's quite Five of Swords is quite stressful energy where you're trying your best to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system. It can be a belief, it can be a particular person, it can be a connection that you still feel with someone, or because of past experiences you're not able to connect with anybody on that level the way you should. That's the issue here. That's the overall energy for you guys for this week in this department of your life. Let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, honey. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Gemini. Three of Cups. Okay, there's a sense of having some kind of, having a get together kind of energy, like maybe meeting in some kind of situation where other people are also there, like get together, family get together, or fun kind of activity, party. By the way, this reading is from 28th of December till the 4th of January. I think I forgot to tell you the dates, and it's obviously it's general, so it might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. Let's clarify the Three of Cups here as their feelings for you. Let's see. So we have the Empress, the Sun, and the Two of Wands. Wow. This person is feeling like there is still a very strong potential between you and them to have a very beautiful, happy-go-lucky, and a long-term partnership kind of a deal. But there is definitely a choice or decision that they have to make between you and somebody else, and or you have to make between them and somebody else. So this person is feeling like even if there is potential, even if there is a this knowing, there is this understanding that the situation can actually go somewhere and it can become really beautiful, there is something that is stopping them, and they have to put the situation on hold, or they have to wait for this coming together, coming back together, collaboration, partnership, or you choosing them or they choosing you kind of a deal. Whatever it is, there's a feeling of waiting and watching and hoping for the best outcome out of the situation. Cool. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? The Chariot. From your side, you feel like no matter what is happening and no matter what is going to happen next, you are going to keep moving forward in your life. You are not going to look back. You are not going to chase anybody. You are not going to run behind anybody. Whatever it is going to take from your side, you are just going to keep moving ahead in your life. Okay. Let's clarify the Chariot. There's a sense of not stopping for anything or anyone, just moving forward. Let's clarify the Chariot here. We have the Knight of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Star. Right, right. It's like because you have been in the stuck energy from quite a long time now, and it is stressing the hell out of you now. Now you're feeling like keeping yourself stuck on something or someone. It's not a good idea. The show must go on, right? And you're feeling like no matter how much time it's going to take, no matter how many years it's going to take, you feel like healing yourself, remaining optimistic and positive to the idea of connecting with the right person at some point of time. But right now you feel like your connection with yourself is the most important thing for you guys, and getting out of some kind of stuck energies is very very important for you guys. So you're quite determined in the way that you feel like moving forward no matter what. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Gemini. King of Pentacles. Their intention is to handle this situation with a lot of maturity, with a lot of practicality and groundedness. This person wants to handle this situation or present themselves as a very mature, grounded, and sorted kind of energy. Okay, let's clarify the King of Pentacles here, honey. Gemini. We have the Tower, the Two of Swords, and the Page of Wands. This person definitely wants to clear the air with you if there is any kind of confusion, or if there is any kind of blockage in the situation, or there is any kind of choice or decision that they have to make, or you have to make in this department, in this particular dynamics. They definitely want to clear the air with you. They definitely want to have a clear cut answer, and they want to start from the start. It's like keeping the base stable. This person wants to start from a friendship kind of a level, where you guys are having a lot of fun, where you guys are enjoying each other's company a lot, and you guys are moving forward without any kind of stressful or painful energies. Okay, so that definitely this person wants to have that clear cut understanding of what's going on, whether they have to like do it from their side or they have to get it from your side, right? And they want to keep moving forward in this direction with a very open, loving, and nurturing kind of energy, like innocent kid kind of energy, meanwhile keeping the base very very stable and grounded. That's really cool, very cool energy. Let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini. Nine of Swords. From your side, you just want to get out of your head. You just want to get out of these feelings of anxiety and depression and not being able to sleep at night. There is a stressful energy around you that is keeping you up at night, and you just want to get out of that. So basically you want to get out of your head. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Swords. Things are definitely not good, but your mind, your head is creating stories and scenarios that are making it worse, and you definitely want to get out of that. Nobody wants to stay in this kind of energy, right? Let's clarify the Nine of Swords here. We have the Ace of Swords, Three of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. You want a proper understanding, proper clarity, and proper answer of what this partnership, collaboration, coming together, coming back together means to you and then to the other person. And you just want to wait and watch, re-evaluate the situation from a distance, take a step back, understand the situation from all the possible angles with all the pros and cons, and then you want to move forward with that clarity and understanding of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, or what you should be accepting and what you should not be accepting in the situation. And you definitely want to get out of your head this restless and this uh, a little bit depression kind of energy, anxious kind of energy, right? Okay, that's a good thing actually. Very good, Gemini. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, honey, till the 4th of January, Gemini. Let's see what's happening here. Queen of Cups. It's like you guys feeling the feelings, but keeping it to yourself. Um, you are going to feel a lot of feelings for something or someone, or maybe towards yourself, but it's mostly inwards. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Cups here as the potential outcome for you guys, Gemini. We have the Eight of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the Three of Swords, right? I was thinking about this only. You're going to get the proper clarity and understanding of a situation that you're feeling mentally trapped in. It's going to break your heart. The moment you're going to get the clarity or answer of what this situation really is in the 3D world, in the real life, that is going to break your heart. And at the same time, it's going to kind of force you to go inside, go inwards, and take care of yourself. It's like something is going to be very, very crystal clear to you. Whatever you are, maybe you're holding on to some kind of belief, maybe you're holding on to some kind of illusion or delusion here, that's going to fall apart, and it's going to directly hit your heart for some time. It's going to bother you and hurt you for some time, but at the same time, you're going to feel relieved too. You are going to finally feel like, okay, I knew it was supposed to happen, but the way it is happening is not going to make you feel comfortable for some time. But as it's a minor arcana, you are going to be eventually okay. So this whole week, till the 4th of January, you guys are going to be struggling to come out of something that is keeping you trapped, mentally trapped, actually, not that much emotionally or physically. And you are going to be in this energy of, no matter what, I have to get out of this mental jail of mine. And you will be able to get out of this. And the moment you are going to, feel like, okay, let me connect to my heart, it will start bothering you, but at the same time, it's going to set you free. That's why you are going to go more and more inwards than going outwards or doing something about it. It's going to be like, okay, let me feel it properly and let me see what I can do about it. Okay, instead of avoiding it, you are going to feel it eventually. That's the outcome for you guys. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Gemini. We have Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. There are multiple people, multiple energies around you that are keeping you not stuck, actually, that are keeping you busy, right? So you have to understand the meaning of boundaries. You have to understand what is good for you, what is not that much good for you, what is coming out of just pure passion, what is coming out of love, and how you can like stay grounded and mature and stable enough to handle all of these things at the same time. Maybe either you are dealing with multiple people at the same time, or multiple situations in different areas of your life at the same time, and it is making you feel a little bit overwhelmed. Okay, so once you are going to prioritize, or once you are going to make a list of what is the most important thing that you have to take care of at first, and then second and third, or maybe you don't need to take care of anything at like in from out of these situations, then you are going to be at much that then you are going to be at peace, much more peaceful, much more in your power, and much more in this energy of handling this situation with compassion, care, and practicality. So you have to choose what is the most important thing, and what is something that you need to let go of, and you just need to clean the mess. Okay, that's very, very important for you guys, whether it's regarding people or situations or things or different areas of your life. That's the deal that I'm getting for you guys for this week, Gemini. So let me answer one of your questions related to related to a love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. It's a general thing, and I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. And if you're not, if the 10 to 15 seconds is not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start, honey. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time. This is not the right time for you to make any kind of life changing decision or choice. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. That's the answer that I'm getting for you. If it is matching with your question, good. If it is not, leave this portion. Okay, just relax. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you.